Well, this new year means some changes impacting education all across Utah. At the request of lawmakers, the Utah State Board of Education submitting a proposal today cutting 5 programs totaling about $29 million in spending dollars.
Mark, that's just one of the education stories that we are following tonight. There's also changes coming to a brand new school district in Utah County. Natalie Wattis is there, and Liv Kelleher is first up tonight with us, joining us. So Liv, you have been speaking with advocates all day today. What are their concerns about some of these budget cuts?
Yeah, Jim, like you mentioned, the board was only able to agree on 5 line items to either reduce or cut completely. One item that's already sparking concern is a 92% cut to a program that benefits students with disabilities. I spoke with an advocate in this space who says that the impacts of this could be significant and long term.
Our disability situation in Utah is already grossly underfunded.
Cuts include $10.6 million from an early literacy software program, $45,000 from Upstart, a digital pre-K prep program, $6.1 million from Utah Fits All, which provides vouchers for private and homeschooled kids, $8.9 million in funding for online courses for teachers, and perhaps the cut receiving the swiftest backlash, a 92% reduction in scholarships for students with disabilities, taking the yearly budget from about $4 million to just over $300,000. Kristen Floyd is a licensed therapist. She is also the executive director of Ability Inclusion Services.
Once again, that burden goes on families that don't have the ability and already don't have the ability to provide services or get the health care or the needs that they need in the schools and out of the schools once they transition.
USBE Board Chair Matt Hymas says the board doesn't feel like they had adequate time to adjust to changing requests from the legislature.
When you have to look at something, you need time to see what that program does, how the impact is, and then decide, is it crucial to public education?
He says they know programs exist for a reason and that making swift cuts is a tall task.
We value all of them, and legislators value all of them. That's why the funding is there. But when we look at legislators trying to reduce taxes or trying to rebalance, something has to give.
It's our families and our kids and vulnerable individuals that reside in Utah that are going to ultimately feel this impact, which is unfortunate.
Now, according to the Utah Department of Health and Human Services, 1 in 4 Utahns are living with a disability. Chair Hymas says he will continue to work with leadership and the state legislature and that, quote, the job is not over. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.
All right.